So welcome. So children, students, welcome back to the video class of standard 8 resources, geography, first chapter, resources. Okay, we will continue with this chapter. So in the last video we have learned about the types of the resources. We were learning about the types of the resources. The first type of the resource was the natural resource. There are the three types of the resources. First one is the natural resource, second one is the human made resource, and the third one is the human resource. Okay, so in the last video we have learned about the first resource, natural resource, that is the natural resource. What is natural resource? The things what we get or what we obtain from the nature is called as the natural resource. This natural resource, this is again divided into two, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So it is being divided into these two. So this we have learned in the last video. So in today's video we are going to learn about the next resources, that is the human made resource. So what is human made resource? People use natural resource to make their necessary things such as buildings, bridges, roads, machinery and vehicles, which are known as human made resources. Okay, the people, they use the natural resources to make their things, to make their necessary things. It is called as what? Human made resources. For example, machinery, vehicles, buildings, roads, all these things are the human made resources. For example, the table, the desk, what is there in your classroom? So iron ore, unless the people, they find out the iron ore and they extracted iron from that, the utensils, the food what you prepare in your home, the utensils, then the table, chair, so many things are there of uses of the iron. So all these things would not be possible. Okay, if the people wouldn't had discovered or they wouldn't had find out the mineral iron ore and its uses, how to use them. Okay, iron ore, how to use it. So till then iron ore was just a natural resources, but when a woman or a people made that iron ore has a table or chair or any other metal, the useful thing what is used for us, so then it has been said as the human made resources. It is being called as human made resources. So technology is also human made resource. So technology, for example, your smartphones. First there was a land phone and now it is a smartphone. So the technology, it is a, what is it? It is a human resources. Then the trains, the fastest train which are running now, the bullet trains all. So first the train used to run on the coal. Now it is running on the electricity. So this development or this technology, the uses of the technology to improvise the machineries or to improvise our things, and they are called as what? Human made resources. They are called as what? Human made resources. Now this is all about the human resources. Okay, so whatever things we the human being prepare, they are called as human resources. Whatever things what we human beings we prepare for our use with the help of the natural resources, it is called as human made resources. It is called as human made resources. Now next to the human resources. What is human resources? People can make their best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. So we the people, we are a resource now. For example, you can take a doctor. Okay, unless he is educated to doctorate, unless he has completed his MBBS or BMS, whatever, so he he is a resource, because he is useful for us. When we go sick, when we are sick, where we go? When we are sick, we don't go to a teacher, don't go to a farmer and all. No, where we go? We go to a doctor for the treatment. So that is why we the people, we are what? We are the resources. So every person is a resource now if he is working. A farmer is a resource. Why is the resource? Because he has a field. Okay, the land or the field, it is a natural resource. But unless he bows the seeds over there, unless the field is grown, it is none of the use. So who does all these things? A farmer does all these things, and that is why farmer is a resource here. Farmer is what? A resource. Not only farmer, you can take about the tailor. A tailor is also a resource. A piece of cloth, it is being designed, it is being embroidered, made a beautiful dress, cloth, kurtas, all those things he make. With the help of what? With the help of his knowledge. With the help of his knowledge and skill. Okay? He is making skills and technology. Now what is technology here? The equipment what he is using means the machine. Okay? The tailoring machine. What he is using. So that technology altogether is a human resources. Okay? So people are human resources. Who are human resource? People themselves are the human resource. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Now, in big companies like in Bangalore, Pune and all the metropolitan cities, you can see that big companies, they are having this HRD department. Okay, there is a department of the HRD. What is that now? That is the human resource development. What is the work of this department now? So that they can make the correct use of the people, the workers. So who is interested in what and how to make the work fluent and make the people to do the work. Okay, and to improve their skills. What do they? To improve their skills, so then they can create more of the resources. To create more of the resources. So in the most of the metropolitan cities, most of the companies, so they have this HRD development. HRD one, this is there. So this human resource development. So what is the work of this department now? It is to improve the skill of the people. It is to improve the skill of the people. So this is all about the today's video. So in today's video, what we have learned? We have learned about the human made resources. What is human made resource? The resource which are which the people make use of the natural resource for their own necessary things. It is called as what? Human made resources. Next, human resource. What is human resource? People are human resource. People are the human resource. So till here, this is today's video. So in the next video, we are going to study about conserving resources. How we have to conserve this resource. How we are going to protect this resource. So about this, we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you.